Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss how to create and use a color matte. So fire up your software and let's get started. So let us first understand what exactly is a color matte. So when you're editing a particular project on your particular timeline, if you scrub to a place that is completely empty, you will notice the background color of the composition is black. Default color of our compositions are always black. So what a color matte will do, it will add a color to the background composition. So you can change this black color to white, red, blue, or any color that you want. That is the purpose of a color matte. So to create the color matte, all you have to do is go to your project bin and click on this particular icon here. When you click on this particular icon, you will see a list of options, a list of elements that you can put onto your timeline. So from this particular list, we are going to click on color matte. Once you click on color matte, this is going to ask you to select a particular color that you want to put in the background of your composition. Now you can add color in two particular ways. The first way, you can select a particular color from this color wheel here and get the desired color that you want. Or the second way is you can use this color picker tool to select a particular shade, a particular photo or a particular video or any reference that you have that has a color. Let's say you want your color matte to be exactly this particular color. So to do this, all you have to do is click on this color picker tool, go to this particular frame here, double click on this color. As you can see, this color has been loaded by the color picker tool and is now available for your color matte to be used. So that is exactly what you need to do. Once you have your shade of color selected by the color picker tool, click on OK, name your color matte layer, and you are done. Your color matte is ready now and is sitting on your project bin, which you can drag to your composition to start making your effects. So I'm going to show you one particular effect you can achieve with this particular color matte. So you can use the color matte any way you want at any particular point of your video. Let's say you're making a video where you're giving certain tips about a particular topic. Now you want to transition from one topic to the next. Now you can do this with the help of a color matte. All you have to do is make a cut in your video, make some space in the middle. Now put your color matte on this particular layer here. As you can see, your background color has changed to this particular color now. Now what you can do is go to legacy title or add some text to your particular video and put that on top of your color matte layer, and you will see you will get this particular effect. Your text is now on top of your color matte and it looks really good, guys. If you can match the color with the theme of your video or with the colors of your particular video, then it looks absolutely amazing. For example, this video that I made about Premiere Pro and some tips that I gave in this particular video, you can see I have used the color matte to transition from one tip to the next one. So you can use the color matte to give an effect like this. This is a very significant application of the color matte which you can use and make your videos really awesome. Now there are other effects that you can do with the color matte also, but more on that on a future video. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So stay safe, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.